The definition of industrial control panel in National Electrical Code Article 409.2 requires the components to be arranged in a systematic and standard arrangement. This means that the components must be systematically arranged, installed in an organized and logical manner, following a specific pattern or design. Standard arrangement means conforming to established industry standards or practices, such as Underwriters Laboratories 508A standard for industrial control panels and International Electrotechnical Commission 61439.1/2 low voltage switchgear and control gear assemblies. Inductive components should be arranged to minimize magnetic interference, such as by using magnetic shielding or spacing components adequately. Applying this to a simple two-gang wall box with two switches, consider this a simple two-gang wall box with two switches installed haphazardly would not meet the criteria of a systematic and standard arrangement because it does not follow a logical pattern or industry standards. However, if the wall box is installed in accordance with the electrical code such as National Electrical Code Article 300.15 and industry practices, such as placing switches at a consistent height and orienting switches for easy operation, it could be considered to meet the definition of industrial control panel. There are additional considerations. The term industrial control panel is typically used to describe larger assemblies of electrical components, not small assemblies like a two-gang wall box. While a two-gang wall box with two switches may technically meet the definition, it is unlikely that an authority having jurisdiction would classify it as an industrial control panel in practice. If there is any doubt or ambiguity over whether an assembly meets the definition, it is advisable to consult with an electrical inspector or qualified electrician.